So what started out as a way to try and get kids out into the community, we looked at the public transportation system, and there's a lot of families even within our fourth grade classrooms that rely on public transportation.
The bus stop is pretty far and it's like a long walk, and some kids are like younger and have littler legs.
We wrote letters to the mayor, to our superintendent of schools, to the bus director to say this is what could make the community better, in hopes that within the next year we'll see a bus stop closer to State Road Elementary.
I think it's important for everyone to use their voice, because not everyone has enough transportation or the right transportation to get to where they need to be.
I hope that they know that their voice matters in little and big ways, because that's how we make things happen and that's how we make the community better for everyone.